Hi you guys, welcome back. Who's ready for some organizing? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some organization ideas that you can incorporate around your home, some things that I'm doing. And if you need a little motivation or inspiration or ideas, this video is for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not. Tap that thumbs up button to let me know you enjoy organization, and drop me a comment to let me know you are here. Let's get started. One of my problems that we had here in the house is that we always kept medicines and supplements all around our counters. You guys, it is such a problem child over here. I will leave them out. My husband will leave them out. The kids, just everybody. So what I had to figure out is a way to stay stored on the counter. What I decided to do was I am using a bread box. This is a beautiful bread box, y'all. It's made of wood. It's black. And it's so chic. It has this like rippled window. So it just looks extremely elegant. It elevates your home. So it is definitely a great way to store things on a counter. So if you want to put bread in there, it can hold a ton of bread because it's huge. You can store snacks. You can store, like us, we're doing supplements and medicines. That way they're right there. They're easy to access. The kids can go in there, grab their supplements. My husband can too, and me as well, because it was just a headache for all of us. And so far, it has been working extremely well. I mean, not one medicine has been left out on the counter. We use that thing and it's amazing. But yeah, that's one I highly recommend. I've loved it so far. Another functionality of it is that it has a shelf on top. So you can use this to store additional things on top. If you want to store more kitchen items, more spices. I also put like decor on top of mine and some hot chocolate and things around Christmas time. You can put your coffee necessities out there, whatever you need. You still have that shelf up top to continue to use that space. Now, another organizer that has been so brilliant for me recently, and I'm like, why haven't I thought of this before? But if you do wear a lot of wigs, or you know someone that wears a lot of wigs, this could be extremely helpful. Wig organizers. So these are bags that you can get, and they also come with hangers, which is amazing. You can hang your wigs on there, store them in separate bags. The bags have clear windows, which makes it so easy to see which wig you're looking for: short, long, red, yellow, black, whatever color you have. So you can see which wig you're looking for, easily store them. You can hang them up. So if you want to use some closet space or hanging space somewhere, you can hang them. You can lay them in drawers. You can travel with these bags. Makes it so easy to keep your wigs looking good, stored and organized where you can find them and they don't get destroyed. I also like to use the hangers to dry my wigs. Like, you can hang them up to dry. So it's just super functional. You do get a variety in the pack. So I highly, highly recommend these for organizing. If you have wigs and hair extensions, you can use them for. Now, another item that I love baskets. I've talked about baskets for years. I want to share this new set that I got with you guys. This set of wicker baskets have attached lids, okay? To be specific. I am a fan of functional decor and hiding things, okay? I always tell you, you do not have to be the most perfect person or the most organized person or the cleanest person. All you got to do is find a way to make your life function for you. So if you do like to have mail out, for instance, I am going to be using it for mail because the system I had in place, this is not working, and it's okay. If you try the system and don't work, it's fine. You got to keep moving. Every family is different. Every person is different. So one thing about organizing is never concrete. You can keep trying things until you find that one that sticks or works best for you and your family. So with my mail, I'm like, okay, it's just becoming out of hand. I need something bigger. I need something that can store it in the open, but not like tucked away somewhere. So this basket here is perfect. You can just throw it in there, close the lid on it. So again, easy to access. It's just the lid, right? So you get the mail. Usually the husband grab our mail, so he'll grab it. He'll just toss it in there, and then it's closed. So our foyer table still can look really clean, but also can hold a ton of mail. But these baskets you can use around your home or around your office to hold different things. A great way to hide things but keep your space looking clean is definitely wicker baskets with lids attached, so they're tucked away and not just out in the open. Okay, another organizer that is super functional, y'all, and it really surprised me. It may not be pretty, but it's very functional. That is this art craft bin. So one thing about this bin is that it is big. It's larger than most organizers like carrying bins, and it has multi-tiers on the inside. So when you open it up, it gives you layers and layers of spaces to organize with. And I also like they give you removable dividers. So like that top part, you can make the spaces as big or small as you would like, which again is a win-win for me because everybody might have different things to put in it. So having a space that has adjustable dividers, it works great because you can take out and add as needed. I also really like the large, big, deep part as well. This is something that I am going to be using for storing my daughter's hair supplies because honestly, one thing for us, sometimes I do hair right here in the kitchen. Sometimes I'm in her room doing her hair. Sometimes I'm in the bathroom. Sometimes I'm in my bedroom or my bathroom or the living room. So we move around because with doing little girls' hair, it's time consuming sometimes. And sometimes I have to do it wherever I can do it. So I like to have a mobile station for doing hair and having hair supplies in versus just in her drawer in her room because we're not always in there. So this was perfect. It has a lot of space. It can store a lot of things, but you can also use these for like crafting supplies, sewing supplies, tools, electric items, you know, like different nails and screws too. I mean, you can really use this for so many different things, especially when you have like a lot that you need to take or tote around and you need the little dividers. Genius, y'all. It's super genius. So you can use it as a first aid kit if you wanted to. But I really want to share that because it's super functional and very spacious. Another organizer are these V-top drawer organizers. So these are stackable drawers, and these are deep drawers, which I really do like. I love a good deep drawer. Now this one I think is very spacious, so you can use this for a ton of things. You can use them to store snacks in your pantry. I like that they have a sturdy stack, and I also love that the drawer is smooth. You can use these under your kitchen sinks, under your bathroom sinks, and use all that space and go straight up and store as much as you need to. You can use these for toys, which I am planning on doing, using some for toys as well. Hopefully I can show you guys in my video. And you can also use these in the laundry room, which I kind of plan to do. I got to come back around to it, but I love these organizers so much. And I think it's so many different ways you can use these. You can use these practically in every space. I really like that as well. So I do want to share those. Now, if you have an issue with bath toys, I got to share this one. And as a mom of two, I've went through a ton of bath storage for kiddos. And the issues I had, a lot of them mold. A lot of them just do not hold up, and they just was a waste of money. I've shared a ton on social media. I always share with you guys a lot of things I'm buying in the moment. What has worked? I think started this last year, and it's worked amazing. Amazing. I have no cons as of right now. Well, maybe one. I'll share that. What I love are these metal bath storage containers. These are huge. They come in a 2-pack. So they are so big. And I was like, my son has a lot of bath toys, but I was shocked because one held all of his toys. So it is really big. So I'm able to use that second one for my daughter's bathroom. So yeah, you get 2 in the pack. I love that it's airy, 1, because the water can just drain right out. 2, it's metal, it's environment friendly, durable. All of that is a win-win. And I also like that it's black. I really like black containers. Now, I will say this. I think my only con is that if you have like little small toys, because the squares are, you know, pretty spacious, they're pretty large, so which allows all the water to dry. Little bitty tiny toys may fall through. So that is my only con, which is what I was saying. But for me, it's not a big deal because we just literally toss the small ones right back up on top. And so because when it's full, it can't get through anyway. They just go right back on top. Other than that, I highly recommend these. These have worked extremely well. So do want to share those too. Another bin that I absolutely love are clear pens. Like they're multi-purpose bins. I have these everywhere too. Y'all, I've talked about these a lot, but if you have not tried them, or if you need something and you can't figure out an organizer for, I likely guarantee this probably could work. I have used these for toys. Like if you just don't feel like figuring out something, just grab you a multi-bin. Seriously. They're handy. You can use them for craft supplies, office supplies. You can put pantry. You can put bags of chips and cookies in the pantry for kids in these. I use these in the freezer. Yes, to hold all of our freezer food. It can use all of that space versus just trying to stack bags in the freezer. It's amazing, including deep freezers. You can use them in there too. Now, these are so handy. One of my favorite things to use. Another item that I have been sharing a lot over the past year are stackable organizers. And these right here that I'm sharing with you are heavy duty. They can store a lot and they're an amazing alternative to furniture. So if you have some place where you need to store things and you just don't feel like buying furniture or building a cabinet, you can get these stackable containers and they literally become mini cabinets in a sense. You can use these vertically or horizontal. I have some with Christmas decor in them. They are literally like a display shelf for me. And I love that the doors can just hide everything behind it. I have some with other things in it. You can use these for kitchen appliances, pantry items, laundry room, bedroom clothes. Matter of fact, I have some in my son's closet on top horizontally to hold all of his extra stuff. And I love the doors because it still makes his closet look nice and clean. So these are amazing. The quality is there. And I will tell y'all, I have ordered other brands and they just failed for me. So when I recommend this one, trust and believe, I went through a few and I'm like, okay, let me just stick with what works. And these might be a price a little higher, but the quality is there. They have wheels on them too. They have handles. So if you're moving, you can just pick up and move. You know, you don't have to undo anything. So I love that they're mobile. They're just really amazing. I'm really impressed. And I have talked about those for a long time and I still love them. And I have purchased with my own money a lot of them. So I did want to share those too. Now, this next item is a wood rolling cart. This is a 7-drawer one that I'm showing you, but it also comes in a 5-drawer option. Amazing for when you need extra storage. I'm using it as a crafting cabinet for my kids. And I love that it rolls because y'all, sometimes we're here at the island doing crafts. You know, sometimes we may roll it down the hallway or roll it to the office or whatever. But it is mobile. You can move it out the way if you need that space, which is amazing too. It has a lot of storage, So I love that I was able to store so many supplies in this and I still got space left. If you do need just some extra space, you can store makeup in here. Again, office things, supplies. And if you need you some storage, this is a rolling storage that you can get. And again, I got the 7-drawer, but it also comes in the 5-drawer. So, you know, you can always use it wherever you may need it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Those are some options for you guys for organizing and getting this year off to a great start. I will definitely be sharing some more videos and content. So definitely make sure you subscribe. Tap that thumbs up if you guys love organization and leave me a comment if you've been here just to tell me hello and hope you guys are doing well. Thanks so much for tuning in and I'll see you guys in my next video.